Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Instagram analytics. Now here's how we are going to get this done. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and show you that I don't have it as of the moment. Now for example, if I want to click this one here, you can see that I don't have here an analytics. Now here's how we are going to do it. First things first, we'll have to turn on our professional mode. So what you can do is just tap these three lines here, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to go ahead and look for professionals. There you go. You see there account type and tools, just go ahead and click that one. After doing so, we're going to go ahead and click switch to professional account. Now you're just going to go ahead and continue through here. Alright, once you're done, just go ahead and choose between a creator and a business. For example, I'm going to go ahead and use creator. Basically, both is going to work just fine. Once you're done doing so, you will be able to see something like this. Set up your professional account. Now you can go ahead and finish this later on. So we're going to click this one. Alright, we're going to refresh, and as you can see, you have there the professional dashboard already, indicating that you have switched to professional account. Now from this point forward, you're just going to go ahead and scroll down here, and after doing so, you should be able to see there view insights. Now you can just go ahead and click on it, and just like that, you have now seen your analytics. Now you can close this one, and we're going to tap this once again, because there is another way that I'm going to go ahead and show you. Alright, there you go. As you can see there, you have 4 professionals, and then you have there the insights. So just go ahead and click that one, and you will be able to see it here as well. So yep, that is how you are going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to check Instagram analytics.